welcome to my channel. Today I will talk to you house mailbox design. So let's start our video. The mailbox are now for their sleek and temporary ethics. Modern mailbox are and geometric shapes are common in modern mailbox design. Common materials including stainless steel, aluminum, wood, and weather resistant plastic. Modern mailbox embrace an minimalistic design philosophy with simplicity and functionality. Homeowners often have the option to customize modern mailbox design to match their preferences. Wall mount mailbox are a popular choice in modern design for their space saving and clean look. Some modern mailbox are free-standing, fitting, unique and stylish design. Modern mailbox may include multiple components for different types of mails. Many modern mailbox incorporate a newspaper holder or conventions. Some modern mailbox are designed to accommodate package delivery security. Security is a priority in modern mailbox design, and many are lookable to protect mail. Modern mailbox are often designed to withstand various weather conditions. Handles and openings are often minimized in design to maintain a clean appearance. Modern mailbox may feature monochrome colors like black, white, or gray. Some design use contrasty colors to create visual impact. Mailbox may be textured, finished like powder coating or matte paint. Glass panels may be incorporated into the design for a touch of elegance. Transparent or semi-transparent elements maintain a connection with the surrounding. Fasteners and hardware are often hidden for view for a clean look. Some modern mailbox features built-in LED lighting for visibility and ethics. Lock mechanisms are often concrete for security and ethics. Modern mailbox can be integrated with smart home technology for alert and security. Some mailbox include security cameras and access control system. Eco-friendly materials and finish may be used in modern mailbox design. The slim and compact design are favored for a minimalistic appearance. Mirror or reflective materials can create interesting visual effects. Some modern mailbox incorporate ethics elements for a unique touch.